Welcome to our trading channel. In this video, we're going to introduce you to an exciting new trading strategy that combines two powerful indicators, the Xtreme indicator and the Heatmap Volume. By leveraging the strengths of both of these indicators, we've developed a highly profitable trading technique. To begin, we'll head over to Tradingview and click on Add Indicators. From there, we'll type in Xtreme and add it to our screen by selecting the name. We won't close the Add Indicators window just yet, but we'll also type in Heatmap and add the Heatmap Volume indicator created by XDCOW to our screen. Next, we'll access the settings of our Xtrend indicator and make a few changes. You can pause the video at any time if you want to copy these settings. We'll change the color of our 200 AMA to black and modify the colors of our shapes. We'll set color 1 to green and color 2 to red before clicking OK. Moving on, we'll access the settings of our Heatmap Volume indicator and adjust some values. We'll set the extra high volume threshold to 3, the high volume threshold to 1.5, the medium volume threshold to -0.5, and the normal volume threshold to -1.5. And with that, we're all set and fully prepared to execute this powerful trading technique. We're going to walk you through the rules you need to follow to execute a successful buy position using our powerful trading strategy. Rule 1. We wait for a green triangle or buy signal to appear. This signals to us that it's time to enter the market. Rule 2. Price must be or price must close above the black EMA 200 line. This is an important indicator of market momentum and helps us make better, informed trades. We also keep an eye on the Heatmap Volume graph, which can be found on the lower side of our screen. Rule 3. We look for a yellow or orange bar to appear, which indicates a good buying opportunity. Only when these 3 rules are met are we ready to take a buy position. We place our stop loss slightly under the last low of our graph before the buy or green triangle signal. Now we wait patiently for the right moment to exit the market and take our profits. Rule 4. We exit the market whenever a red triangle or sell signal appears. While it's true that we may miss out on some profits by following these rules, it's important to remain disciplined and follow the rules consistently to maximize gains. In the example we're using, we made a very nice gain by executing our buy trade and made a profit of over 2%. This goes to show just how effective this trading strategy can be. Are you also getting bored of analyzing the markets all day long and waiting for trades? With Bitchit Futures copy trading, this is no longer a problem. You can copy professional crypto traders that were tested for being profitable. Once you started copying someone, this progress is 100% automated. Next to this, Bitchit is also the best futures and crypto exchange out there. And to make it even better, if you register using the link in the description, you can receive a bonus up to $5,000. And you will receive a lifetime discount on all trading fees. Now we will quickly go through the steps once more, but for a sell position. These rules are the same rules for a buy position, but mirrored. Rule 1. We wait for a red triangle or sell signal to appear. Rule 2. Price must be or price must close under the black EMA 200 line. Rule 3. We once again look for a yellow or orange bar to appear on our heat map chart, which indicates a good selling opportunity. We enter the market in a sell position and place our stop loss a little bit above our last price high. Now we have entered, we wait for the right moment to exit the market and take our profits. Rule 4. We exit the market whenever a green triangle or buy signal appears. Again, we realized a profit of over 2, and in this case, almost 3%. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and tune in for our next videos, where we'll explore more easy to understand but powerful trading techniques and strategies.